Hello guys, today we learn what is linked list in C. For this you have requirement Visual Studio Code, MinGW and C++ extension installed in Visual Studio Code. Now let us see what is linked list. Linked list is a linear data structure. Each node is divided in two sections that holds the data and the address of the successive node. You can see in the diagram. Now let us understand. Node structure. Here you can see node structure consists of two components, like one is data and other is next. Now what is data? Data holds the actual value, and what is next pointer? Next store the memory address reference of the next node in the sequence. Now you can also see there is one head and there is one tail. Head and tail. The linked list is accessed through the head node, which point to the first node in the list, and the last node in the list option to null or null pointer, indicating the end of the list known as the tail node. And you can see different types of nodes like single linked list, double linked list, and circular linked list. Here you can see syntax of the node. How can you create? Here you can understand only syntax like structure node, integer data, structure node, next pointer. So here I am considering this is a structure node as a structure which contains a pointer to the next node only. That's why it is called self-referential structure. Here you can see structure node pointer next it called content to itself node, so that is called referential node. Referential self-referential structure is a structure which contains to a pointer to a structure are of the same type. Thanks for watching my YouTube videos. If you want to more videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel.